Is your phone cable broken? Frustrated because it won't charge anymore? Don't toss it just yet. Today I'll show you an easy way to fix it, so you don't have to go out and buy a new one. Hello everyone. Today, I've got 2 great techniques that will get your phone charging again. Feel free to use whichever method you find easier. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Look, I'm plugging the cable in right now, but as you can see, there's absolutely no power getting to the phone. Alright, let's get to work. For our first method, grab a toothpick and a standard eraser. First, we'll prep the toothpick, gently crush the sharp, pointed tip until it flattens out, about 1 to 1.5 centimeters in. Do this on both ends. Once it's flattened, snip off the very sharpest point with scissors. It needs to be thin enough to slide easily into the small crevices of your charging port. Now, turn your phone off completely. Take the toothpick you prepped and gently insert it into the charging slot. Even if it looks clean, there could be lint, thread, or dust trapped inside from your pockets. Carefully scrape along the sides and move it left and right to loosen any hidden debris. Once you've done that, give it a quick scrub with a clean toothbrush to clear out any leftover particles. Next, take a look at the metal part of your charging cable. Over time, friction and everyday use can leave dark, oxidized buildup on the contacts. Grab an eraser and gently rub it over the metal until it's shiny and clean again. Brush away any leftover eraser dust. Now, turn your phone back on and plug the cable in, and look at that. It's charging perfectly. Turns out you didn't need a new cable after all. If the first method didn't work for you, let's try a second approach. This time, we'll focus just on the cable itself. Grab a piece of sandpaper and cut out a small narrow strip. It doesn't need to be big, just a tiny piece will do. Hold the strip up against your charging cable to check the size. And if it's too wide to fit into the port, trim it down until it fits perfectly. Now carefully insert the sandpaper strip into the connector slot. Move it back and forth about 4 or 5 times on each side. Cables that have been used for a long time can develop rust or oxidation on the internal contacts. And this helps clear it right away. Once you're done, brush away any dust with a toothbrush, or just give the cable a gentle tap against the table to shake the debris loose. Now let's test it. And there you go. Power's flowing again. Your cable's ready for long-term use, and you just saved yourself the cost of a replacement. So, what did you think of these simple techniques for getting your charging cable working again? I really hope you found them useful. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family so they can fix their cables too. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!